Okay guys, I'm going to just show you real fast. So when you buy these bobber stoppers, you get a billion of them in like a bag like this. I'm not sure, I think I bought them off Amazon. That's a huge surprise, isn't it? Anyway, let me just show you how easy they are. Basically, you pull them out, they're on this little thing. It's really pretty cool. And then you literally, so this is my leader, okay? You literally just put it through one of these, and then you just, super easy. Hold on to it so you don't drop it again. And then you just pull the thing, the bead, right off, and it just goes right onto your line. Okay? Then you can put your bobber. It's pretty much what it is, right? Indicator, bobber, whatever you want to call it. So you've got your stopper, your indicator, and then you're just going to take another one of these. I mean, there's so many in here. Just pull it right off and it's on again. So simple. Pull it up to the, there it is. Look how cool that is. And then they just slide really easy. Look, I just slid it up. That's probably where I'm going to have it actually. I'm going to leave it there. And that's it guys. That's how you use the bobber stopper. And it's really simple. Good luck. Tight lines. Maybe I'll see you guys on the water.